So I saw an ad for this 70s twin reverb. It said it has all original tubes. All original tubes in an amp are a lot like buying a used car with all original tires. As your tubes break down, your guitar starts to sound muddy and anemic. Hear that clinking sound? This tube is microphonic. If they're noisy or microphonic, they should have been changed a long time ago. And it's not just age that causes tubes to break down, it's frequent use too. The harder you drive your amp, the faster your tubes will wear down. New tubes will get your amp's original sound back. StewMac's got replacement sets for dozens of different amp models, including this one. You can actually make your amp sound better than new by upgrading to tubes with higher quality specs than the factory originals. We've got individual tubes too, so if you just need a set of power tubes, we've got you covered.